Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Veronica Kamula YouTube channel. If you're new to this YouTube channel, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, keep tuned. I love you so much. So today guys, I've decided to make for you a very nice breakfast. Hey, nakwambia breakfast here 5-star hotels.
Oh my god! Wow!
So guys, yes, it's a 5-star breakfast, 5-star hotel breakfast. Hey. So guys, nimeamua kuwatengenezea potatoes. I have white potatoes. They are the sweet potatoes, but the white ones, not the yellow ones. And then I have my chopped 2 large onions. Big onions. I have my sufuria, I have my salt to taste, and I have my cooking oil. These are sweet potatoes, but I have chopped them. Unaona vile zinakaa sliced. Unaona vile zinakaa zile zinaitangwa aje sauteed potatoes. So guys, it's time to start preparing our potato for breakfast. Nimekwambia unaweza zitumia kama lunch, unaweza zikula kama supper pia, kama unapenda light supper ama pia light lunch, ama pia unaweza zitumia kama snack. Ukienda job unaziprepare tu vizuri, you pack them kwa lunch box kako, and then you're good to go. So guys, let's get started. Don't forget msijali nimekula mandizi ya asubuhi guys. So let's get into our process ama recipe. Next step is to let your sufuria heat. Unawasha gas, una make sure sufuria yako imeheat power, imeisha maji kabisa. And then after heating up your sufuria, I'll show you what next. Now after sufuria yako imesha heat, unachukua mafuta yako na maji ikiwa imeisha kabisa kwa hiyo sufuria yako. Now you take your cooking oil na unaweka hapo ndani just enough oil, usioverdo enough oil, na usiweke kidogo sana, because guys remember that we're not going to boil our potatoes, tunaziweka tu kwa mafuta. And then I'm gonna show you how we are going to do it. After that guys, let your oil to heat up, acha ikue moto, and then tutaweka potatoes zetu baadaye. Meanwhile, acha tungoje mafuta yetu ikue moto. Mafuta yetu ishakuwa moto already. As you can see, nikiweka potatoes zetu tunaweka ka chipo, but sasa we are not deep frying vile tuna deep frying chipo. Nakwambia mimi na leo kungoa. Hey, unaweka potatoes zako hapo. As you can see what I'm doing guys, you put in your potatoes as you can see, and then you let them cook for some time. So let's meet. Tukishaziweka, mimi nagawanisha mara mbili guys, because my potatoes are so many, so siwezi pika zote at once. So naweka round 1 and then nitaweka round 2. Kisha maliza kuweka, unaanza unazikoroga kwanza vile unaona nikifanya. It's very important ndio potatoes zako zisianze kushika huko chini ama zianze kuungua, because I don't have non-stick sufurias. We are going to use these sufurias. So guys, make sure kama una non-stick umezikoroga. Hata kama pia uko na non-stick, it's good to mix them so that mafuta imekuwa evenly distributed kila place. Then after that you take your salt. Tunaweka tu a pinch of salt, because guys remember that potatoes zinakuanga a bit sugary kiasi, so tunaweka tu ka salt kadogo to taste because of the onions. And now we add in our onions. Vile unaona nikifanya guys, you add in your onions. Mi sitaweka zote saa hii cause nimewaambia guys napika mara mbili cause potatoes zangu ni mob. So you add in your onions enough. Kama unapika mara mbili unagawanisha tu katikati, you make sure zinatoshana. Now guys, it's time to cover our potatoes and the onions. Unakava hivyo bila kuchanganya. Usichanganye vitunguu zako na potatoes after umeweka. Ziekelee tu hapo juu and then you cover them for around 2 to 3 minutes na unapika na low heat. After that guys, unafunua, unaangalia. You see guys, unakoroga sasa. Unakoroga after 2 to 3 minutes. Unafungua, unakoroga. Make sure you cook this thing. Don't overcook it. Ukikook for long sana ikuwe 5 minutes, because remember that guys, we had not boiled our potatoes, so you only need to cook them for about 5 minutes. Ikienda sana 5 minutes, ita depend na potatoes zako whether they are soft ama ni zile ngumu. Now our round 1 is ready, is done. As you can see, vitunguu zetu zimeiva vile tulikuwa tunataka, na potatoes zetu, as you can see, some of them have started breaking. As you can see, zimeshaiva, so tunazitoa and then tunaweka round 2. Look how they look. They just look yummy, delicious. Oh, sweet. Mafuta yetu ya round 2 isha heat. Sasa tunaweka round 2 and we repeat the same process. After kuzieka tutazikoroga, and then after kukoroga, after some time tuongeze ka salt kadogo, tuweke onions zetu, tufunikie for 3 to 5 minutes, and then tutazifunua, tukoroge kidogo and then tutoe. We serve our breakfast. It's just that easy guys. It's that easy. It's a simple recipe, but it's worth it guys. Our potatoes are ready. As you can see guys, I don't know whether munaona vile zinakaa yummy. I'm salivating right now guys. They look so yummy and they taste so yummy. I've already tasted them. Don't fail to try this recipe because guys, it's gonna be amazing. It's amazing, I'm telling you. You only need potatoes, 3 to 4 potatoes, onion, and your sufuria, mafuta, and a pinch of salt, and you will be able to make this amazing breakfast. It depends, unapenda breakfast, unapenda kwa kuzikula ka lunch ama supper. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and most importantly, turn that notification bell so that anytime I get to upload a new video, you get to be notified and watch an amazing recipe like this one. Guys, I love you so much. Subscribe, like, share this video please guys. Bye.